You know, when it comes to playing rhythm guitar, a lot of times what I like to do is just try to find the nearest voicing of the next chord. A lot of people call this voice leading, right? Where you just kind of find, like, how can I change from one chord to the next by only just moving slightly instead of moving all over the neck? I think it sounds better to the ear, right? Here, I'll give you an example. Let's start here. We're going to start with this E minor chord. And I'm doing this because I feel probably everybody knows this chord, right? This is... All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to just take the E note here and move it up a half step to F. And what that does is it gives us a G13 chord. So if you're playing like a G blues, a lot of times you might go for this chord. It's a little bland sounding, right? Okay, so once we go to the 4 chord, which would be C or C7, we can just move a little bit to this shape here. Now this is really an E minor 7 flat 5. I got an E here. There's the flat 5, flat 7, minor 3rd. But if I put a C in the bass, it becomes a C9. So I've got this G13. All right, so for my 5 chord, which is D7, I'm going to play something like this. So this chord here is a real interesting sounding chord. It's got the flat 7, it's got the 9, the major 3rd, and the 6. So this is like a D13 chord. I'll let my bass player play the root though. So you got... Ooh, a lot more interesting and small movements between the chords, all right? Let's hear it over a track. Go.